Where's your brother? Your brother? Sleeping? Aw. It's hard to be an empath. I know. I'm so sorry. I don't know what to tell you. Hi. You want to come in? You want to come in? She'll kill me. You want to come? How would I get all the ducks out if I got them in here? That would be so funny. Should I let them in? Should I let them in? Do you guys want to come in? You want to come in the house? Oh my gosh. You would come in, wouldn't you? Oh, poor duckies. I could definitely get them in with food. You want to come in the house? I'm tempted. I'm very tempted. That would be cool. That would be funny. What if I couldn't get them out? Oh, you just lay down there and then.